From the Tools section, go to Curves. With Curve section, pull above the white circle down like it shows. From Eraser tool, you can change the size of your eraser, changing the opacity and hardness of the eraser. Just erase the center of the subject's face. Go to the sticker. I find this image in searching the word sky. Go to the blend section and set it in multiply. With eraser, erase the image from the eyes of the subject. Then reduce the opacity to 79. Set the brightness to 100 minus. Contrast to 20 minus. Clarity to 100. Saturation to 100. Hue to 48 minus. And highlights to 100. Shadows to 9. Temperature to 26. Again, I go to the adjustments and set the brightness to 6 and set the contrast to 34 minus and reduce the opacity to 73. And go to the blend section and set the blend to overlay. And go to the adjustment and set the hue to 151 minus. Go to the effects and go to the B and W section and set it to B and W. And in the B and W section, set it on B and save your edit. Next, you should add your original picture. From the tool section, go to the curves and set the curves like I show in the video. And with your erase tool, erase the subject's face. Hit the stretch section from the tool section. Select the wrap. Set both the size and power to 100. And wrap it in her eyes. And from the add photo section, add your editing photo and replace it in the side of her eyes. And that's it. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and hit that like button and share it with your friends.